Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel. Now in today's class we will start the wave optics. In previous years there are many theories which are about the light. Some scientists they told that light is a wave and some are going through that light is a particle. Okay, so there are two types of different theories there over the light, that light waves are wave nature and second is the light waves are having particle nature. So we will go through first the various theories which includes here the different scientists wave theory and particle theory also. Okay, so here we start with the Sir Isaac Newton. He's Newton's corpuscular theory. Okay, so he gave a theory that light waves having particles, means he considered that particle nature of the light waves. So according to his theory, the light source, it continuously emits tiny and massless particles, and these particles he named as corpuscles. Okay, and these corpuscles are so small that a luminous body does not suffer any appreciable loss of mass even if it emits light for a long time. हे कॉर्पस्कल साईज मध्ये इतके छोटे होते की ते जर लाईट सोर्स ऑफ लाईट मधून जर इमिट झाले तर त्या सोर्सच्या ल्युमिनस बॉडीच्या वेट मध्ये काही इफेक्ट होत नव्हता. The sense of vision is produced when the corpuscles imping on the retina of the eye. Means we can able to see only when these corpuscles when it is intersect with our retina or it is incident on our retina. Light energy is the kinetic energy of the corpuscles. These particles are moving with velocity, and due to this velocity, these particles having kinetic energy. So light energy is nothing but the kinetic energy of these corpuscles. Now, on account of high speed, they are unaffected by the force of gravity and their path is a straight line. So he suggested that the corpuscles are always moving along the straight line. Different colors of light are due to different size of corpuscles. So different colors he found from the prism experiment, and he concluded that different colors of the light are due to different size of corpuscles. Later on, Foucault and Michelson, two scientists, showed that velocity of light in a denser medium is lesser than that in a rarer medium. But according to Newton's corpuscle theory, denser medium the velocity is higher than the rarer medium. Okay, so Foucault and Michelson put forward this experiment and showed that this concept it is wrong there, and velocity of light in denser medium is lesser than the rarer medium. Again, there is one more failure of this corpuscular theory, that this theory could not explain the phenomena of interference, diffraction and polarization. Corpuscular theory can explain some concepts, but it cannot explain the phenomena of interference, diffraction and polarization. Now here some concepts again regarding with the Newton's corpuscular theory as a revision we will take here. Light consists of very small invisible elastic particles which travel in vacuum with a speed of 3 into 10 raised to 8 meter per second. So this is speed, and this speed of light it is first given by Newton according to his theory. The theory could explain reflection and refraction. Okay, we just saw that it could not explain interference diffraction, but it can explain reflection and refraction of light. Now here the size of corpuscular of different colors of light are different. Means according to his concept, it is just as a revision point. It could not explain interference, diffraction, polarization and photoelectric effect. Compton effect also he could not explain. The theory failed as it could not explain why light travels faster in a rarer medium than in a denser medium. Means according to this theory, Newton failed in many aspects, and he could not also explain that why the velocity of light in rarer medium is different than the denser medium. Okay, so here it is the Newton's corpuscular theory. More theories are there, we will see in the next lecture. Okay, hope you understand these points here, and if you have any doubt, please comment here. Like our video, share it, and subscribe our channel.